Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today, we have our helper James, and he's gonna help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. James, what toy do we have today?
Today we have the Ryan's Mystery Microverse Series 1, and it includes 2 mystery figures.
Good. Okay, are you ready to open it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go, kids. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
What do we have?
We have Gus the Gummy Gator.
Oh, wow.
Gus the Gummy Gator. It's green, yellow, red, and orange. Hey guys, I'm Gus the Gummy Gator, and I like eating gummies.
Yeah! I'm scared of a gator.
No.
Oh, that looks like so much fun. Let's see the other figure.
This one is one of my favorite figures. It is Combo Panda.
Combo Panda. We got Combo Panda? That's
Combo
awesome.
We have Combo Panda.
Oh, wow. Turn it around. Let's see.
Look at this. He has his red headphones on. It's very cool.
So let's see Gus and Combo Panda play together.
Hey, Gus. I'm taller than you. Hey, Combo. Don't make fun of me. Okay, Gus. I'm not gonna make fun of you. But I'm just saying, could I have one of your gummies? No, because you're being mean to me. Okay, fine. I won't be mean to you. Now could I have it? Yeah, sure, Panda. Let's go.
Oh, that is a good lesson to learn. Right there, we talked about how someone was being mean to the other person, and then he apologized, and then they both shared something together. That is awesome. Anthony Robbins' quote we want to share with you today is, if you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do, and you'll achieve the same result. Like if you want to be a racetrack runner, look for someone that won that racetrack the last year, and then do what that person did. If you do what they did, if you practice like they practice, if you run like they run, if you eat like they eat, you will achieve the same result. Remember what we always say on this channel? It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bye.